Hey there, today we're diving into the wonderful world of growing the most incredible blackberries right in your backyard. If you've ever wanted to enjoy plump, juicy blackberries bursting with flavor, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you 5 easy steps to grow these delicious berries successfully. So let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right variety. First things first, choosing the right blackberry variety is key. There are 3 main types: erect, semi-erect, and trailing. For home gardens, I recommend semi-erect varieties like Marion or Prime Arc Freedom. These types are easy to manage and perfect for small spaces. Make sure to pick varieties that are suitable for your climate zone. Check with your local nursery or agricultural extension office for the best options in your area. Step 2. Selecting the perfect location. Blackberries love sunshine. Choose a location in your garden that receives at least 6-8 hours of sunlight daily. Good air circulation is also important to prevent diseases, so avoid planting in low-lying or cramped areas. Prepare the soil by mixing in compost or aged manure to improve drainage and fertility. Blackberries prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH between 5.5 and 7. Step 3. Planting your blackberries. Now, let's get those blackberries in the ground. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and about as deep. Gently place the plant in the hole, making sure the roots are spread out. Backfill the hole with soil and water thoroughly.
Space plants about 3-4 feet apart in rows to allow for proper growth and harvesting.
Step 4. Providing proper care. Blackberries are relatively low maintenance, but they do need some care to thrive. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during dry periods, but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Apply a layer of mulch around the plants to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and keep the soil cool. Prune your blackberries in late winter to remove old canes and encourage new growth. Step 5. Harvesting and enjoying your blackberries. The best part: harvest time. Blackberries are typically ready for picking in mid to late summer, depending on the variety. Look for berries that are fully black and easily detach from the plant with a gentle tug. Enjoy your harvest fresh or use them in delicious recipes like pies, jams, or smoothies. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, 5 easy steps to grow the most incredible blackberries in your own backyard. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're inspired to start growing your own blackberries today. Remember, with a little love and attention, you'll be enjoying these mouth-watering berries in no time. Happy gardening!